In this video, we're going to look at the concept of strong acid and weak acid for chemistry. Now, after going through this video, I guarantee you that you'll be able to differentiate between strong acids and weak acids for chemistry. So ensure you stay to the very end of this video. So having done that, let's go into the details of the video. Okay, so let's begin with strong acids. Alright, now what are strong acids? Strong acids are simply acids that ionize completely in water. Okay, so the key word is they ionize completely in water to release hydrogen ion. Okay, now let's look at a couple examples of strong acids, because in your MCQ questions you might be asked which of the following is a strong acid or which of the following is not a strong acid. So you have to be able to identify strong acids. Now the common strong acid we have in chemistry include, we have our sulfuric acid, that's tetraoxosulfate 6 acid. Another example of a strong acid is our nitric acid. Okay, so that's triosonitrate 5 acid. Okay, another example of a strong acid is our hydrochloric acid. These are basic examples of strong acids we have in chemistry you have to know about. These acids ionize completely in water. Now, let's look at the concept of weak acids. Now, weak acids are those acids that ionize partially in water to release hydrogen ion. So the key word here is ionize partially. They don't ionize completely, but they ionize partially in water. Okay, now common examples of weak acids you have to know include our carbonic acid. Example, is either I call it carbonic acid or call it triosocarbonyl 4 acid. So we have it to be. So this is an example of a weak acid. Now, another example of a weak acid you have to know is our tetraoxophosphate 5 acid. Okay, now another example is our organic acids, which include our ethanoic acid or acetic acid. So we have the chemical formula to be. We also have our formic acid or betainoic acid. So these are examples of weak acids in chemistry. Now note that most organic acids, apart from ethanoic acid and metanoic acid, are weak acids. Okay, so they are weak acids. One example of weak acid, we also have our benzoic acid. We have our hydrofluoric acid. Okay, chemical formula of hydrofluoric acid is HF. These are examples of weak acids. Okay, before we end this video, let's distinguish between strong acids and concentrated acids. So don't be confused with the two. Now, strong acids, as we have explained, deal with how acids ionize completely in water. Alright, so strong acids ionize completely in water. Okay, whereas concentrated acids measures how much acid there is in a certain volume of water. So the larger the amount of acid there is in a certain volume of liquid or water, the more concentrated the acid is. Basically, concentrated acid, in concentrated acid, the quantity of acid is higher or is greater than water. So that's for concentrated acid. Now, the opposite of concentrated acid is our dilute acid. Alright, now in dilute acid, you have the volume of water greater or higher than the acid itself. So when the volume of water is higher than acid, we call such solution a dilute acid. Whereas when the quantity of acid is higher or greater than the volume of water, we call such a solution a concentrated acid solution. Okay, so that will be all for the concept of strong acid and weak bases for your chemistry. Let's call it a class here. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. You'll be able to distinguish between strong acid and weak bases from now, and also distinguish between dilute acids and concentrated acids. Okay, now if you are new to the channel, ensure you check the description of this video below. You see link to our Telegram channel. Click on it and join the Telegram channel for instant notifications. Also ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this. Like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel from what you have learned from this class. If you seem to have any specific questions asked regarding this topic for chemistry, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Now click on the end screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.